In this video, we will do cross multiplication to solve these three problems. And so if you want to pause the video and attempt them, feel free. Okay, so this is the first one, and we want to solve for x, and I'll show you cross multiplication. With cross multiplication, you're going to multiply the diagonal, so the 3 times the 15. And you will also do the other diagonal, so the 5 and the x, so a little cross like this. So let's write this out. So 3 times 15. 3 times 15. And it's going to equal 5 times x. So 5 times x. At this point, 3 times 15 is 45. And that's equal to 5 times x, so 5x. So we have 5x is equal to 45. We want to solve for x. So it's saying 5 times x. The opposite of multiplication is division. So we're going to divide by 5, and so x is equal to 45 divided by 5 is 9. So our final answer is 9. Okay, this is the second problem, and so if you want to pause the video and attempt it, feel free. Same procedure. We're going to multiply the diagonal, so 2 times 4, and the other diagonal, 3 times x. So 2 times 4, let's write this down. 2 times 4 is equal to 3 times x, so 3 times x. And 2 times 4 is 8, and 8 is equal to 3x. And we want to solve for x, so saying 3 times x. And the opposite of multiplication is division, so we're going to divide by 3, divide by 3. So yeah, divide by 3, x is equal to 8 divided by 3, and that's our final answer. One more problem. Alright, this problem is a little bit different, but same procedure. We're going to multiply the diagonal, so 3 times 12, and 5 times x plus 1, this diagonal. So yeah, 3 times 12 is equal to 5 times parentheses x plus 1. So we're going to do one more thing. We're going to expand. We're going to use the distributive property. So that was from our last one, a couple of videos ago. We're going to use the distributive property. So yeah, 5 times x is 5x, and 5 times 1 is 5. After this, it's going to be the same kind of problem. 3 times 12 is 36. Now, before we get rid of this 5 in front of the x, we have this regular 5. This is saying plus 5. And the opposite of addition is subtraction. So we're going to subtract 5 on both sides. And we get 36 minus 5 is 31 is equal to 5x. And we have 5 times x. Opposite of multiplication is division. So we're going to divide by 5, and so x is equal to 31 divided by 5. And that's right here is our final answer. And that's all we need to do for cross multiplication.